YouTube, it's your boy Nathan Smith, coming out of the 515, originally from the 859. So I got hella love for you people back in 859. Like, I love you, Kathy, Lindsay, Kaylee, Stephanie. I love my parents, Tasha, Trinity. I love all y'all, for real. Keep it real, be strong. But your boy about to spit some shit right now, and it go like this. I lived a long life, one filled with many dreams. Every time I had a hope, it blew up in smithereens. I've been knocked off my feet, I done trudged the mud. I sang in the sand, but still stand tall like a man. I never let a bitch make or break me. I take my time with them and still get hurt repeatedly. So I wrap my fist around my heart and knock out every bitch who tried to tear it apart. I've been in relationships with the fake and the true. They all had their little secrets like most women do. Wanna call me a player, wanna say that I cheat. That's why when you look in the mirror, all you see is defeat. Cause when it all boils down, this world is dog eat dog. You came out of my life, you standing like a fraud. I love you is 3 words that I hate the most, cause they can bring a man to his knees, they can make a man cry, but one thing is for sure, they can tear apart your life if they're told it's a lie. I never accept defeat. I get back up on my feet, try harder than the first time I did originally. Some call it a blessing, I call it a gift, cause when I was growing up, never did I believe I could rap like this. I speak from experience, what inspires my words, but instead of doing it for fame, I do it for relief. Instead of being pushed over the edge, I push the pencils to the paper. For some reason, the words I release are arsenal enough for my anger. If you listen to the words that I'm spitting to you, you might notice the pain my face never reflects, cause I'm walking alive, but my body is dead. I'm emotionally, physically, and sexually drained. Every time I put my heart out there, it all ends up the same. I thought she was different. I thought the bitch was true, but every time she said she loved me, she was really saying, fuck you. Stop, man.